Is he not letting you past? Is it because you want a pat and you can't come over because Jimmy's in the way? Is it because Jimmy's in the way? But just pass him. Just come over this way. Can you get past? You can't get past. But you can walk past him. Do you think you can walk past him? Do you want to come over here? Come on then. You can do it. Come on, do you want a pat? You can't fit that way. It's going this way. You can't fit. Did you have to figure out a way around Jimmy? Did you? But you look like you're stuck now. But you're stuck. You're stuck. Okay, come around. Go around. Okay, he's coming around. Can you walk past? Good boy.